At Space Academy, we are avid fans of LEGO. Even more so, LEGO gives us the opportunity to build our own galaxy. We are talking about space stations, space shuttles, and even LEGO sets to colonize Mars. In today's video, we are going through our top 10 LEGO space kits ever made. Whether you're looking for a birthday gift, something nice for Christmas, or a good deal on Black Friday for yourself, our top 10 has something for every space geek. On the bottom of our list, at number 10, is the Mars Space Shuttle. We kick off this list with a spectacular research space shuttle. This beautiful 273-piece set combines the realism of post-NASA exploration with fantasy elements. It is also somewhat easy to assemble and may be suitable for the young, aspiring, space-loving kids out there. This space shuttle looks pretty slick. The space shuttle is inspired by the real NASA research shuttle and rover set. It has an opening cockpit, 2 large opening doors, a storage drone, solar panels, and also has a funky helidrone that is pretty neat. The realistic set is combined with cool fantasy elements, such as an articulated grappling arm for the rover and for the helidrone, which is packed with spinning rotor blades and a scanner. At number 9 is this awesome lunar space station. Let's go to the moon with this LEGO set. Introducing the 500-piece lunar space station, which is inspired by the latest Artemis mission, NASA's ambitious plan to go back to the moon. This set includes very realistic science and botany labs, a sleeping quarters, and a spacious docking space capsule which is inspired on NASA's ambition for a lunar base. This playset also comes with a solar panel that you can rotate. This LEGO Luna space station has 5 astronaut minifigures to accompany you on the moon, and all of them have a specific job on the station. Cleared for takeoff, NASA's Space Shuttle Discovery is launching at number 8. This 2,358-piece set is directly inspired by NASA's Space Shuttle Discovery. It features neat elements such as an opening payload bay, retractable landing gear, and 5 seats for the crew. Oh, and did we tell you that you can deploy the Hubble telescope just like the real Discovery space shuttle did? The Hubble itself has movable solar panels and an aperture door to play with. May the Force be with you. Star Wars Space Station at number 7. For all the Star Wars lovers out there, this one's definitely for you. We adore this Death Star space station. It has a mind-blowing number of minifigures to play with. This 4,016-piece kit is a super detailed Death Star battle station of the evil Empire. You can reenact legendary scenes from the Star Wars series itself, including the detention of Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker, and Darth Vader's fateful duel in the Emperor's throne room, and many more. Also, Emperor Palpatine, C-3PO, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and a TIE Advanced are included. With these and the Death Star locations, you can reenact any of your favorite scenes of Star Wars, A New Hope, and Return of the Jedi. Coming in at number 6 is the Rocket Assembly and Transport Building Kit. We are excited about this set because it provides a complete space building experience. Building this 1,054-piece playset is probably the most immersive experience you'll get from this list. You'll have the chance to manage, transport, and utilize a whole rocket. This set includes everything: a large multi-stage rocket with an opening 2 minifigure cockpit, a rover module payload, a launch control room with a rotating satellite dish, and a rocket assembly crane with a winch. This station also has a rover lab equipped with a rotating arm tool that has opening doors and a raised platform. It does not end there. It also includes a space truck with a grappling arm and a flatbed. And to add to your complete experience, it has a launch control room with cool accessories such as walkie-talkies and various lab tools. At number 5 is the historical Rare Women of NASA collection. This LEGO set is awesome because it is a collection of 4 pioneering women from NASA. This will surely ignite the passion of our young, aspiring female astronomers out there. The Women of NASA collection includes 4 groundbreaking women in space science. This set includes a minifigure of Nancy Grace Roman, the first female executive of NASA. Her build includes the Hubble Space Telescope and a planetary nebula image. The next one is Margaret Hamilton, a computer scientist who developed onboard flight software for the Apollo program. Her build includes a stack of book elements representing Apollo's software codes. The last 2 monumental women in NASA are Mae Jemison, the first black woman to travel in space, and Sally Ride, the first American woman to travel in space. Their build includes Space Shuttle Challenger with 3 removable stages. Landing at number 4 is NASA's Apollo 11 Lunar lander. With this incredibly accurate Apollo 11 lunar lander replica, you can celebrate the 50th anniversary of the first manned lunar landing. This 1,087-piece set has a depiction of the lunar surface included, opening camera and laser hatches, an ascent stage that has a detailed interior with room, and it even has the Star-Spangled Banner, the flag of the United States. It also has 2 astronaut minifigures with NASA decorations and golden helmets. This remarkable set can provide a challenging and rewarding building experience full of nostalgia. We have one in our office on display to celebrate our love for space. Now we have arrived at our top 3 LEGO space kits. Are you ready? Jumping in at the 3rd spot is the Deep Space Rocket Launch Control. This set will make you feel like you're building an entire space rocket system on your own. The number of things you can do in this 837-piece Deep Space Rocket Launch Control LEGO set is insane! This set won the 2020 Toy of the Year award. It features a multi-stage rocket with a cockpit, a monorail system that stops the rocket, and a launch control tower. The launch control tower has a removable window and a complete set including computers and desks. You can also put your phone inside the control tower and play a rocket launch countdown in the LEGO app, which adds to the full immersive experience playing this set. There are also 2 cars included that you can put on the monorail system. Not just that, you can also unveil a secret symbol using the robot scanner. A giant leap for mankind. Saturn V is aiming for the moon at number 2. You can now build the legendary rocket that the Apollo missions used to reach the lunar surface, Saturn V. This 1,969-piece replica of the monumental rocket NASA used half a decade ago will surely give you an out-of-this-world experience. Packed with authentic details, this replica of Saturn V is a 1:10 scale of the real rocket. It has 3 removable rocket stages, a lunar lander, and an orbiter. It also includes 3 astronaut microfigures and a booklet about the manned missions of Apollo. Just look at that! Decorate your home or your office with this perfect replica of Saturn V. And here we are, reaching the very top of our list. Drum rolls, please! Taking in the crown as the best LEGO space kit, the International Space Station. On the top of our list, we have one of the most extraordinary man-made objects in space, the International Space Station. This is an 864-piece perfect replica of the ISS, where you can deploy a satellite, dock with the shuttle, and even schedule a spacewalk. You can deploy a satellite using an installed robotic arm to launch a satellite into orbit. It also includes 2 astronaut microfigures that you can schedule for a spacewalk. It can also challenge your building skills because of its 2 rotating joints and 8 adjustable replica solar panels. It even has a mini spacecraft and a space shuttle. To top all that, the set contains a 148-page booklet which features fascinating facts about the ISS. Which is your favorite LEGO space kit from our top 10? Did we miss any of your favorite sets? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below.